Automation has made my life 10 times easier as a content creator. I'm a mom, I'm a full-time entrepreneur, and I have dozens of other obligations. So how am I able to post multiple times a day? Well, I'm gonna tell you right now. Everyone wants to become a content creator, but no one is actually showing you how. My name is Georgie-Ann, and I'm a business coach who became a paid content creator in less than 6 months. In my series, Content Creator 101, I show you step by step exactly how to start your content creation journey. Let's dive in. I have a famous quote that says, "Don't wait, automate." And when it comes to content creation, I definitely do that. So I'm going to share with you 4 different ways I leverage automation and technology to get more done as a content creator. First up, I use tools like and Opus Clips in order to repurpose my longer YouTube videos into smaller clips on social media. What you do is you upload your video inside of it, and then it automatically chops it into smaller sections ready to be repurposed on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Having my longer videos be chopped into clips automatically saves me dozens of hours per month. The next tool that I use often is called Publer.io. And on this platform, this tool allows me to download my videos that I've already published on a social media platform without the watermark. So if you ever wanted to repost a video that you put on Instagram onto TikTok, but you don't want the watermark on it, you could just put the link into Publer.io and it'll download the video for you without the watermark. So that way you have a custom video now available to put on that different platform. This is super helpful for me because I can now schedule and batch create content without all of the hassle. Another hack that helps me repurpose my content is ensuring that there's captioning on all of the content that I make. The majority of video editing platforms will have a captioning feature, as well as Instagram and TikTok also have a captioning feature when you are about to post your video. Using captions allows your video to have a wider reach and be more accessible to the viewer. And then the last thing that I do leveraging automation is using this tool called ManyChat. When a person comments on one of my posts, specifically on Instagram or Facebook, it'll then automatically DM them a link, a message, a document, or something else that I've predetermined, and it continues that conversation, and it just helps build community, build connection, and build authority within my network, within my audience. This is essential for me because I'm just one person, and I may not be able to respond to everybody that messages me, but at least I could get my community the resources that they need even while I'm sleeping. So those are 4 ways that I leverage automation and technology, and there's a bunch more that you could use out there in order to increase your content output, help you to stay consistent, and allow you to thrive as a content creator. In the next episode, I'm going to be talking to you about how do you actually track your progress as a content creator to know what's working, what's not working, what type of videos have you put out, what are your numbers, what is the analytics and the data behind the content that you're making. So make sure you go ahead and follow me so you could be alerted when that next video drops.